Tracki Pro GPS Tracker Review. Best compact GPS tracker for vehicles and personal use. If long battery life is your biggest priority in a GPS tracker, the Tracki Pro immediately stands out. But its larger battery also means it's not the smallest tracker available. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Tracki Pro is a 4G GPS tracker designed for vehicles, equipment, assets, and other things you want to monitor. It uses cellular connectivity along with Wi-Fi and motion detection, while its large 10,000 mAh battery is designed to provide much longer runtime than many compact trackers. Tracki says the battery can last for months, depending on the tracking mode and frequency of updates. The tracker can also provide frequent location updates and supports features such as movement alerts, geofencing, location history, and real-time tracking. The larger design makes it better suited to vehicles, trailers, equipment, and other assets than tiny personal trackers. But there is one important downside. The tracker requires a subscription for its cellular service, so you need to consider the ongoing cost, not just the initial device price. Battery life also depends heavily on how frequently the tracker reports its location. More frequent tracking generally means more battery usage, so the maximum battery claim shouldn't be treated as a guarantee for every situation. And of course, GPS tracking should only be used where you have the appropriate ownership or consent. Overall, the Tracki Pro makes the most sense if you need long battery life and reliable cellular tracking for a vehicle or valuable asset. If you want something extremely small for everyday personal items, a smaller tracker may be a better choice. If you want to check the latest details or buy this tracker, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know what you'd use a GPS tracker for.